how to mark message as promotion on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mark message as promotion on Truecaller. First open Truecaller, and now all you need to do just here we'll find Spotify or any chat you want, and then click on it and hold on the message that you want to mark as promotion, and then click more, and here we'll find it mark as promotion, and now click mark as promotion, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.